Hey everyone, let's talk about Ireland, a country known for its beautiful green landscapes and friendly people. Did you know that Ireland is a great place to work, especially if you're a caregiver? Plus, you can bring your family to experience this wonderful country. First things first, let's talk about CareChoice, one of the best companies for elderly care in Ireland. Imagine working in beautiful nursing homes in amazing cities like Dublin or Cork. CareChoice is like a warm hug. They're known for taking care of their staff just as well as they take care of their residents. They know that happy caregivers mean happy residents, and they go above and beyond to make you feel appreciated. At CareChoice, you can earn a good salary, enough to enjoy all the fun things Ireland has to offer, like exploring Dublin's streets, having a picnic in the park, or even seeing the beautiful Atlantic coast. And guess what? You can bring your loved ones with you. CareChoice helps you get visas so your family can join you on this exciting adventure. So, if you're a trained caregiver looking for a rewarding job, visit carechoice.ie and check out their open positions. With CareChoice, you'll be saying hello to Ireland in no time. Next up, we're visiting Molam Healthcare, a company known for its compassionate care all over Ireland. Molam Healthcare has built a reputation for excellence, providing top-notch services to the elderly, ensuring they live their golden years with dignity and joy. Molam is all about providing excellent care for the elderly, especially those with memory problems, and they're looking for caring people like you to join their team. Their caregivers are trained to handle the unique challenges that come with dementia and other memory-related conditions, making a real difference in the lives of their patients. Working with Molam is like being part of a big family. The sense of community and camaraderie among the staff and residents is truly heartwarming. You'll find yourself forming bonds that go beyond the workplace. And of course, let's talk salary. Molam offers competitive wages that reflect the important work you do. They understand that financial stability is crucial for their employees' well-being. At Molam, you can expect a good salary, enough to enjoy all the amazing things Ireland has to offer, like visiting the cliffs of Moher, exploring ancient ruins, and immersing yourself in the rich history and culture of this beautiful country, or enjoying traditional Irish music in a cozy pub. The vibrant social scene in Ireland is something you won't want to miss. With Molam, all of this can be yours. The balance between work and leisure is something they truly value, ensuring you have time to explore and enjoy your surroundings. They also offer great opportunities to grow in your career. So if you're ambitious, Molam will support you every step of the way. Continuous training and development programs are in place to help you advance and achieve your professional goals. With Molam Healthcare, you'll be saying cheers to a fulfilling career and a bright future in Ireland. Join a team that values compassion, respect, and excellence. Now, for those of you who love working closely with people, let me introduce you to Bluebird Care, the experts in home care services. Bluebird Care is dedicated to providing top-notch, personalized care to those who need it most, right in the comfort of their own homes. If you're passionate about providing one-on-one care and making a real difference in the lives of elderly and disabled individuals, then Bluebird Care is the place for you. Here, you can build meaningful relationships and offer the kind of support that truly transforms lives. Imagine driving around the charming streets of Dublin, Galway, or Cork, bringing joy and support to those who need it most. Each day offers a new adventure and a chance to explore these beautiful cities while making a positive impact. It's like being a superhero, but with a company car. You get to be the friendly face that people look forward to seeing, all while enjoying the perks of a supportive and dynamic work environment. Bluebird Care understands that caregiving is more than just a job. It's a calling. It's about being there for someone in their time of need and providing the emotional and physical support that can make all the difference. That's why they offer a supportive work environment, flexible hours, and ongoing training to help you excel in your role. Whether you're new to caregiving or an experienced professional, Bluebird Care ensures you have the tools and knowledge to succeed. And the best part? Bluebird Care offers a great salary. Enough to enjoy a Guinness at the Guinness Storehouse, unwind after a fulfilling day, and truly enjoy the vibrant culture of Ireland. Explore the vibrant city of Galway, with its lively nightlife, street performers, and rich history. There's always something new to discover and enjoy. Or even take a scenic drive along the Ring of Kerry, one of Ireland's most picturesque routes, offering breathtaking views and unforgettable experiences. Bluebird Care is all about creating a positive and rewarding work experience for their caregivers. They recognize and celebrate your hard work and dedication, ensuring you feel valued and appreciated every step of the way. They know that happy caregivers lead to happy clients, and they go above and beyond to ensure your well-being. With a strong support system and a community that cares, you'll always have someone to turn to. So, if you're ready to spread your wings and soar to new heights with a company that values your skills and compassion, Bluebird Care is the perfect place to start your journey. Then fly on over to bluebirdcare.I and see what opportunities await you. With a variety of roles and locations, there's something for everyone. With Bluebird Care, you'll be saying thank you for the chance to make a real difference in Ireland. Join a team that truly cares and start making a meaningful impact today. Let's talk about TLC Nursing Homes, a name that says it all. This isn't just a place. It's a community where care and compassion are at the forefront of everything they do. They're all about providing top-notch elderly care and nursing home services with a warm Irish touch. The caregivers here are not just employees. They are family to the residents, ensuring every need is met with a smile. Imagine yourself working in a cozy and welcoming environment in the heart of Dublin and its surrounding areas. The city's vibrant culture and rich history provide a perfect backdrop for a fulfilling career. You'll be part of a dedicated team that's passionate about providing the highest quality of care to their residents. Team meetings and collaborative efforts ensure that everyone is on the same page, working towards a common goal. TLC Nursing Homes believes in creating a home away from home for their residents, and that starts with having a team of compassionate and dedicated caregivers like yourself. The cozy interiors and friendly atmosphere make it a place where everyone feels welcome. They offer a supportive work environment where you'll feel valued and appreciated for your hard work. Regular feedback and recognition ensure that your efforts never go unnoticed. At TLC Nursing Homes, you can expect a good salary, enough to enjoy a pint of Guinness at Temple Bar, one of Dublin's most iconic spots. It's not just about work, it's about enjoying life in a vibrant city. Or even take a day trip to the beautiful Glendalough. The stunning landscapes and serene environment offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. TLC Nursing Homes is committed to your professional development, offering opportunities for growth and advancement within the company. Regular training sessions and workshops ensure that you are always at the top of your game. So, if you're ready to join a team that puts their heart and soul into caring for others, this is the place for you. The sense of fulfillment you'll get from making a difference in someone's life is unparalleled. Then head over to tlcnursinghomes.com and browse their available positions. The website is user-friendly and provides all the information you need to take the next step in your career. With TLC Nursing Homes, you'll be saying, "Welcome home to a rewarding career in Ireland." Join a team where your work truly makes a difference and your career can flourish. And last but not least, we're ending our Irish adventure at the prestigious Beacon Hospital in the heart of Dublin. Beacon Hospital is known for providing world-class healthcare, and they're looking for compassionate caregivers to join their team. At Beacon, you'll work with some of the best medical minds in Ireland, using the latest technology and providing exceptional patient care. They're especially interested in international caregivers who can bring new ideas and experiences to their team. Beacon Hospital offers a great salary, making it one of the highest-paying healthcare providers in Ireland. That's enough to live comfortably in Dublin, enjoy the city's nightlife, and maybe even do some shopping on Grafton Street. Beacon Hospital offers fantastic benefits, including help with moving, visa sponsorship for you and your family. So, if you're ready to shine in the Irish healthcare system, then head over to beaconhospital.I and explore the exciting career paths that await you. So there you have it. Ireland is calling and your dream caregiving job is waiting. It's time to pack your bags and get ready for the fun. A fulfilling career and a brighter future for you and your family are just a click away. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more updates. Good luck with your applications, and I can't wait to hear your success stories. Goodbye.